Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix power button is not working in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're using Galaxy S22 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your power button isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to settings here, go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date, then just scroll down your control center and make a restart with your phone. Basically sometimes it happens that there will be any software glitch with your phone which might take these errors. So you just have to make a restart, and after a restart you have to retry to check if it's your issue fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go to your settings here, scroll down, go to advanced features, and here go to motions and gestures, and here you'll see the option of double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. You just have to enable this both. Once I've enabled, now whenever you double tap on your screen, the screen will be turned off. Whenever you double tap on your screen, it will be turned on. So you can use your double tap as your power button to turn on your screen and to turn off your screen. But I recommend you have to physically manage this button, because sometimes it might be that your button is physically damaged, so you are unable to use your power button on your phone. So you can also use these double taps, but if you want to use your power button, so you have to physically repair it or change it with a new one so that you will be able to use your power button here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.